I'm back up at Church of England Grammar School. I suppose, well, it's Anglican Church Grammar School these days, Churchie, where I went around as a kid. We had the privilege last year to be commissioned to recreate an iconic piece of the Churchie landscape, the Penrod Scmidt Memorial clock. You can see it in the building behind me. In my day, this building was called Young. It has an awesome expanse across the flat and up into the old part of the school. It has a magnificent outlook. But, you know, while I was here, it was only ever right 2 times a day. So the school asked us to come back as an old boy and as also part of the Churchie community to rebuild what is an iconic part of the Churchie landscape. So the clock you see has took about a year to come about. It's got all sorts of good stuff in it, from surge protection, lightning protection, GPS tracking of the time. Each of the indexes and the numbers is actually laser cut out of solid stainless steel and powder coated. We've actually set them off the brickwork by about 2 inches to give that sort of depth of field and also a beautiful shadowing. We've done the hands and the indexes in the school colour, which is called it's a Dulux colour, Churchie cream. So all these things have combined. The hands are actually specially made and are wind rated to 150 kilometres an hour. What all came together as a long process and was carefully crafted is the Penrod Scmidt Memorial clock that you see behind us today. It has a magnificent outlook. Check this out. So from up here at Churchie, school's back to normal on Monday.